This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress and Elementor. First, you'll need to install WordPress on your web hosting. Once that's set up, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and install the Elementor plugin. Activate it, and you're ready to begin. WordPress provides the content management system, while Elementor acts as a powerful visual page builder, giving you complete design control without needing to write any code. It's a fantastic combination for creating stunning websites. Now let's dive into designing. Create a new page or post in WordPress and click Edit with Elementor. You'll see a blank canvas and a panel of widgets. Simply drag and drop elements like headings, text blocks, and images onto your page. You can then customize each element's appearance, adjusting colors, fonts, and spacing with just a few clicks. This intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes building beautiful layouts incredibly straightforward, even for beginners. To speed up your design process, explore Elementor's extensive template library. You can insert pre-designed sections or entire pages and then customize them to fit your brand. Don't forget to utilize global settings for consistent styling across your entire website, ensuring a cohesive look. Also, pay close attention to responsive design. Elementor allows you to easily adjust layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile views, guaranteeing your site looks perfect on every screen size. Before going live, always preview your page thoroughly to catch any last-minute adjustments. For optimal performance, remember to optimize your images, aiming for file sizes under 100 kilobytes each. This significantly improves loading speed. Finally, regularly update both WordPress and Elementor to ensure you have the latest security patches and access to new features. This simple maintenance routine will keep your website running smoothly and securely for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.